Hey guys, welcome back to Turn 1 Mayhem. Jason here. I got a short one for you guys today. I'm going to be changing the wiper blades on the Tesla out. My understanding is that the way that you do it is slightly different than most vehicles. So I've done a bit of research, seems pretty straightforward, but I want to bring you guys along just in case you guys are thinking of doing the same thing. I went ahead and went on Amazon and purchased these wiper blades. Comes with a set for both sides, passenger and driver side. It is by a company called Autoboo. So Autoboo makes the set. It was really cheap. I think it was like 20, 25 bucks. Good deal compared to going directly to Tesla. I believe OEM wiper blades is like 50 bucks. So definitely way better than going to Tesla. My understanding is also the performance that you get from the blades are the same as the OEM, so it shouldn't be any issue. Yeah, it should be pretty straightforward. Let me unbox it, see what's in here, and then we'll go to the vehicle and try to install it. And I need a knife. Where's the knife? Let's see. All right, got our knife. And I haven't opened this up yet, so I don't quite know what's in here, but just in case you're gonna purchase the Autoboo as well from Amazon, here's what's in here. And let's see what size they are. I don't remember the sizes. No, it doesn't tell us the sizes. So here are the blades. I believe the passenger side is smaller than the driver's side. So we've got two blades. And let's see what else is in here. And the user guide. But nobody ever reads that. That's trash. I'm gonna put the knife away. Gotta be safe. So here's our two wiper blades. This one's smaller, so I assume this is the passenger. And here's the driver. And it should be pretty straightforward. So let's go on over to the vehicle and let's give it a shot. All right, so here we are at the vehicle. So as you can see, here are the wiper blades. So unlike most vehicles, the wiper blades on Teslas are tucked in kind of under the hood for aerodynamics. You don't want to force them out, so I believe there is a way.
Settings set from stun to kill.
Okay, sorry, my car just locked itself. But yeah, there is a way that you can get these to pop out, so let's do that. All right, so here we are in the vehicle. So like I said, first thing you want to do is pop out those windshield wipers to go up. So my understanding is you should be able to do it in service. And then there goes wiper service mode. Bum. So you press that and they just came up. So let's go on out. So yeah, as you can see now they have popped out and it should be easy to remove them. My understanding is there's these little tabs that you're gonna push in and then pull out this way. If you have a little issue.
Sentry mode activated. Settings set from stun to kill.
Okay, thank you, car. So yeah, so if you have an issue, when you push this and try to pull this out, sometimes you might have to put your thumb right there to pull it out. So we'll see. Let me put the camera on the tripod and let me fight with this thing. Let's see what happens. Okay, so just popped it out. This is what the OEM, I believe this is OEM, looks like. So there's the tab. I did have to put my thumb right here, as I mentioned, and then try to pull it out. But yeah, besides that, it was pretty straightforward. It didn't look that hard to do. So let me grab the new one. Let's compare them. Let's put it in, and we should be good to go. So here's the new one. So let's compare them. So the new one, this part looks like a little shorter than the OEM one. I don't know if you can see clearly, but besides that, it should go on pretty good. Length is the same. I don't remember the lengths of the windshield wipers, but I'm sure if you Google it, you can find it. That's what I did. But yeah, let's take off this green thing and let's put it on. So just slides off and we'll put it on. There she goes. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Looks like we did a good job. Let me do the other side. Let's make sure that's good. And yeah, besides that, we should be good to go. Let's give it a shot. All right, so yeah, that was pretty straightforward. Looking at my wipers, I don't think I needed to change them out right away. They didn't feel that great. So yeah, hopefully these new ones work better than the OEM ones. At least I think these are OEM. They look like it. So only thing left to do is go back into the service menu and push that wiper schedule button. I don't remember what it was called. Make sure the wipers go down fine and we should be good to go. Let's give it a shot. All right, let's go back in. Lower the windshield wipers, make sure they go down fine. So again, when you're in your car, you're gonna press the vehicle button, press service, and then click wiper service mode. So it's blue because it's on. And I'm just gonna hit it again. There they go, they just dropped. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Let's go check it out, make sure everything looks good. And I think we're all set. Yeah. That looks good to me. So crispy pair of new wiper blades. And as you can see, everything sits flush. Yeah, so the auto boos are really good if you're in the market to purchase new wiper blades for your Tesla. Go on Amazon, check out the auto boos. I don't know about performance. I'll probably give it a couple weeks and then comment down below, let you guys know what the performance is on the wipers. If I think they're a little better than the OEs, if I could tell the difference. So besides that, it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna let you guys go because it is hot in this garage. I live in Florida, so yeah, you guys got any questions, leave it down below. Besides that, I'll see you guys on the track. See you guys on the street. Peace.